This is a new phone with Metro PCS and Boost Mobile, so you will be seeing this issue a lot, so make sure you come and watch. Now locate the power button, the volume down and the volume up. Now you need to press the volume up and power button and continue holding. Once the phone turns on, you see it's going into recovery mode. Give it a few seconds. You'll be seeing the little Android picture. That is okay. Give it 15 seconds. Now if nothing changes in 15 seconds, you need to press the buttons on the side. Sometimes you may need to press all of them. Sometimes you need to press a couple of them. We'll see with this one what it would take. Press the volume up and power together. It's not working. Power down. Now since it's not, press all three and remove. Again, every phone they make it different. Sometimes you just need to tap, as you can see right now, which I tapped the volume up and power. Just a quick tap. Now scroll down to wipe data factory reset. Press the power button to select. Scroll down for yes. Power button again to select. Now when it's done, you need to select reboot system now by pressing the power key. Now the phone has been factory reset to the original settings. Now it will just be rebooting, and once it's done, you just go through the prompts. Start, skip, skip, continue, next, next. Just keep hitting next or skip until you get to the home screen. Now if you did have your Gmail set up, you need to make sure that you do put that back in. It will stop you in the middle of the activation screen. As you can see, I had none, so I'm going through the prompts very quickly. Here you go. Enjoy. Thank you. Please like and subscribe.